Welcome back to our channel. Today, we'll dive into an intriguing topic: why hasn't the USA rolled out its 6th-generation fighter jets yet? Despite leading the race in military aviation technology, the USA has yet to officially deploy a 6th-generation fighter jet. Let's explore the reasons behind this and what it means for the future of aerial warfare. Introduction. The United States is a pioneer in fighter jet technology, with iconic aircraft like the F-22 Raptor and the F-35 Lightning II dominating the skies. These fifth-generation jets are renowned for their stealth, advanced avionics, and multi-role capabilities. But as competitors like China and Russia push forward with their own next-gen designs, many wonder why the USA hasn't introduced a 6th-generation jet yet. Understanding 6th-generation fighter jets. Before diving into the reasons, let's quickly outline what defines a 6th-generation fighter jet. 1. Artificial intelligence integration, AI-assisted piloting and decision-making. 2. Unmanned capabilities, option for piloted or autonomous missions. 3. Next-gen stealth, advances in stealth to counter modern radars. 4. Hypersonic speeds exceeding Mach 5 for rapid deployment. 5. Swarm drone integration, coordination with drone fleets in combat. 6. Directed energy weapons, lasers, and electromagnetic weapons for offense and defense. Why hasn't the USA deployed one yet? 1. Current dominance of 5th-generation jets. The F-22 and F-35 remain unmatched in their capabilities. These aircraft are still highly effective in modern combat scenarios, making the immediate need for a 6th-generation jet less urgent. 2. Technological challenges. Developing 6th-generation technologies like AI, directed energy weapons, and swarm drone systems is complex and time-consuming. Integrating these into a single platform that is reliable and combat-ready is a monumental task. 3. High costs. Building a 6th-generation jet is astronomically expensive. The F-35 program alone cost over $1 trillion, including research and production. Allocating funds for a new program while managing existing projects poses a significant challenge. 4. Strategic approach. The USA is investing heavily in conceptual designs, prototyping, and technological research through programs like the Next Generation Air Dominance (NGAD) initiative. This cautious approach ensures that when the jet is unveiled, it will outclass any competitor. 5. Geopolitical considerations. While countries like China and Russia showcase their ambitions, the USA focuses on maintaining a technological edge through innovation rather than rushing into production. What's next for the USA? The NGAD program is already in advanced stages, with prototype flights reportedly underway. This 6th-generation platform is expected to feature a family of systems, including manned and unmanned aircraft, and could redefine air dominance. Experts predict its unveiling by the 2030s, ensuring the USA maintains its superiority in the skies. Conclusion. The delay in deploying 6th-generation fighter jets isn't a sign of stagnation, but rather a calculated strategy. By perfecting cutting-edge technologies and ensuring cost-effectiveness, the USA aims to solidify its air dominance for decades to come. If you found this analysis insightful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay updated on the latest in science, technology, and defense. Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. What do you think about the USA's approach to 6th-generation jets? Stay tuned for more fascinating topics, and we'll see you in the next video.